In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to download and install the REDnote social app on your device. It's a straightforward process, so let's jump right in. Start by opening the Play Store on your device. Once you're in, locate the search bar at the top of the screen and tap on it. Type in REDnote and hit search. You'll see a list of results. Find the correct app by matching the name and logo to ensure you're downloading the right one. Once you've identified the app, tap the install button to begin downloading. Depending on your connection speed, this process might take a minute or two. If prompted, you may need to confirm the installation by entering your account details or granting permissions. When the download is complete, the app will automatically install, and an open button will appear. Tap on it to launch the REDnote app. From here, you can explore its features, create an account, or log in to start connecting with others. And that's it. Simple and easy. By following these steps, you'll have the REDnote app ready to go in no time. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and how-to guides.